I've got my beauty box. Stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Lancome 2022 Holiday Beauty Box. Hello, I'm Kim, retired Lancome beauty advisor and cosmetologist, and I share all my insider secrets for how to get all your luxury beauty brands on a budget. Let's see what's inside. You guys, been waiting a long time for this, and I seriously cannot wait. The first thing is Lancome has a signature edition, and this is Roberto Orlinski. Not sure if I'm saying that right. And that is his signature art, which is the Lancôme Rose. This case, you guys, is so much bigger than any of the previous Lancome cases I can remember in years. But let's open it up and see what's inside. Check it out. Check it out. All the fabulous Lancome favorites that we've all grown to love. Let's see. First of all, just like the video I showed you last week, they hardly ever put perfume in a holiday beauty box, but this is a little La Vie Belle mini perfume. We have the Teint Idole full-size mascara. And ladies, these are 8 full-size products that you're getting in the beauty box. And this is our Lancome lip color. It's got a little click it, perfect, kind of brick red. The is French Kiss. So that is a full-size Lancome lipstick, perfect for the holiday season. And this is our, gosh, they really put these in here. Lancome Absolute lip gloss, full size as well. It's kind of a springy peach color, but looks kind of sheer. And we also have the full size of the Lancome Genifique Eye Cream. So that is a full size product as well. Can you tell I'm excited? And also, we do have a travel size of the RÉNERGIE Multi-Action Ultra Firming Cream. And this, ladies, the RÉNERGIE, especially for mature ladies, of course, my absolute favorite is Absolute, but that is a premium and kind of over budget for a lot of us. So I use the Lancome RÉNERGIE Multi-Action. This is the travel size of the day cream. We also have a Tonique Confort, which is the toner step of our facial for after cleansing. That is a travel size. And also we have a full size of the Bifacil Eye Makeup Remover, and it is so luscious, ladies. If you have not used this, I highly recommend using this. It's got a hole in the top so you can easily stick in a Q-tip and take off your makeup without smearing it everywhere, and it leaves such a luxurious feeling under your eyes after you use it. And of course, as always, they've been doing the Lancome Genifique, and this is a full-size bottle of their award-winning serum. And also, like it says, it has the pump dropper that always dispenses the exact correct amount of product that you need to use for each application. And last but certainly not least, we have the cheek and eye palette. And as you can see this year, ladies, gold is obviously their signature color. Now let's see if I can open this easily. Okay, there is the eye palette. It's got a lot of the violets and purples, and that, I guess, is what their mainstay. We have highlighters, contours, and everything in one palette. And now the cheek, I always have problems opening up the cheek, and it slides out from right underneath. So there is your cheek and eye palette. And like I said, anytime you have to, beauty box is purchase with purchase. So on my purchase, I needed foundation. Now, I usually had used the Lancome Absolute. Well, they have discontinued the Absolute that has foundation that's got the skincare in it. So what they've replaced it with is the Tawny Doll. It is called Care and Glow Foundation, and it does have the serum in it also. So my shade is 310 Neutral. And a video I've got coming up to show you guys. Next week is my actual shopping trip that shows me and all the neat ways that they give to test all your shades at the Lancome counter. But it's got a pump dispense, and it is so easy. You just put it on the back of your hand, take your sponge, and I used it this morning, and I swear it is so luscious. I am so glad that I tried this new foundation, and that is why at any Lancome counter, ladies, you can get foundation matching. They are true professionals at what they do. But I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you like the content, please subscribe below or follow me if you're on Instagram. I love sharing all my insider secrets and must-have and skincare tips and advice for all you ladies that love beauty like I do. But always, have a good day. Much love.